surprise, yeah. Paradise, paradise.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For any of you who are new, my name is Becca Dang. On here I love to talk about things like fashion, makeup, luxury, my lifestyle. So if you are interested in any of those things, welcome, and feel free to click the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Okay guys, well I do have an unboxing for y'all. So here is my item. It is from Dior. So if you have watched any of my previous videos, you may know that I have been wanting the Dior saddle card holder. Now, I did want it in the red oblique or the blue oblique, but I was kind of hesitant on which ones to buy because I was like, you know, I love neutral colors, and I was like, oh, I kind of don't want this red one. I kind of don't want this blue one. But if I have to choose, I'm going to go with the blue one because it's a little bit more neutral. And then when I went online to Dior recently, I saw that they had dropped a new color that was pretty neutral. And so when I saw it, I had to have it. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing. So they sent it to me in this. In Austin, we don't have a Dior store, so I do have to order my stuff online and have it shipped to my house. But here we go. Let me just take this out. Here we go, guys. And I'm saving this ribbon, and I'm gonna put this ribbon in my hair. You know I am. What? More ties? Oh wait, no, it's just a sticker. And I don't like to mess up the tissue, but we're just gonna have to do this. Dior has really good packaging. So this is the Dior saddle card holder in gray oblique. And she is so gorgeous. Y'all see that, guys? Look. So she has the beautiful gold D, of course the gray oblique. In the back you have a card slot. Then when you open her up, you can see the Christian Dior logo. And then of course you have the Gusseted Compartments. Let me show y'all that. So you have another card slot right here. Of course, the button closure. On the inside is the Gusseted Compartment, another card slot, and another card slot. And so this is pretty much like my Chanel classic card holder. And actually, let me cut this off real quick. Okay, so I have cut off the little attachment. So here we go. And so you can obviously see that I have a type. If you saw my other video where I talked about my Chanel card holder. So with my Chanel card holder, of course it has the snap closure, and then it has the Gusseted compartment, and you can just fit all your cards inside. And then of course the Dior saddle card holder is quite similar. So it has the snap closure, and then it has the Gusseted compartment where you can just fit all your cards inside. So this is my style of card holders. I just like how you can see the little Dior right there, but it's so cute. It kind of has a little bit of like, I don't know, a blue tone to it, but it looks more gray to me, but it's really cute. And it does have this, the embroidered oblique, I guess, print on it. But yes, this is a wallet or card holder, I guess you would say, that I have been searching for. So now I finally have it. So this year, because I am working on my small leather goods, I have one more to buy, and that is my Hermes Kelly Pocket Compact Wallet, which is quite similar. It just has like the one open compartment that can just fit a lot of cards in them. And yeah, that's the style that I love and that I will always go for. And so I'm almost done. After I complete my small leather goods curation or curating, I am done, and after that I will start working on my purses. But yep, this is it. And I'm just so glad that they had the gray and that I didn't have to buy the blue or the red oblique, because, you know, I really just wanted a neutral color, and I'm so glad that they had this gray one. And yeah, she's just gorgeous. And I really do like this gray on gold. To me, gray on gold just looks very classy. Some people might have wanted silver, and yeah, silver is very beautiful too, but no, I don't like silver hardware. I like gold. Gold is my color. And so let's see how many cards we can fit inside. So here I have my Chanel classic card holder. Okay, so I've emptied it out. And here's my card holder. Let's see how much. I'm gonna count these cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have 14 cards in here. $14 cards. Let's snap. That is 14 cards, you guys. and it can even fit more. I feel like it did bulk up a little bit, but it can really fit more. I like it. I like it a lot. It's so pretty. This might be my new favorite. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I'm still really loving my Chanel. So you guys, y'all tell me what y'all think. Tell me if you think this wallet, or more like a card holder, is beautiful. You can fit a lot of cards in here. You can fit bills in here. You can maybe even fit some change. It has, of course, your slots, your large gusseted compartment right here. You have 2 more slots in the back. Then if you need to put extras, you have this slot right here as well. But yeah, that's basically it. You know, not much to discuss about it, but I just wanted to open that and show y'all. And of course, here is the Dior, I guess, envelope with the receipt. I will be holding on to that. Oh, yes, guys, tell me what you think about this wallet. Comment below if you like it, or if maybe you don't like it. Who knows? But yeah. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and to press the like button. Well, thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in my next video.